Symbolic interactionism theory is general asserts that the world is constructed through the meaning that individual attach to social interactions. Mead's approach to understanding social life was grounded in his understanding the steps of child development. Mead uses two terms, I and me. What is the meaning of I and me? So Mead refer I and me to the process that individuals go through in understanding themselves in a social world. A child enters the world only understanding the concept of I. He or she is mostly unaware of the social world, except it relates to fulfilling his or her own needs. The I is controlled by impulses and basic human needs and desires. A child gets older, the social part of the self, the me, is develops. The child learns about other people through the understanding and meaning he or she attributes to gesture. The me develops through interaction with other people and through social environment. This happens by learning how individuals respond to specific acts and the gestures made by the individual. In shortly, we can say me is a social self and I is our immediate response to the others. Mead explains two important stages that child goes through in order to realize me. The first stage, which is known as the play stage. In this stage, the children learn how to take the attitude of a single particular other. And the second stage, which is known as the game stage. In this stage, the child learns to take on the attitude of everyone else by being able to internalize the roles of several others. He or she is about the function in organized group in the society. After Mead's death, his student Herbert Blumer published his work on mind, self, and society teaching. Blumer further developed Mead's theory and named them symbolic interactionism. What is symbolic interactionism? The theory of symbolic interactionism is the process of interaction in the formation of meaning for individuals. In simple form, people act based on symbolic meanings they find within a given situation. The goal of our interaction are to create a shared meaning. Herbert Blumer came up with three basic principles of his theory: meaning, language, thought, or mind. Meaning, the definition of the meaning states that it is the intention for a particular purpose or destination. Blumer says the principle of meaning is central in human behavior. Meaning is based on human interaction and how we act towards the other people. This theory tells us how people interpret the messages and the statement. Each one of us has a different meaning assigned to different things. Shortly, we can say different objects have different meaning for different individual. For example, grass. Grass, the meaning of the grass for someone, it is a green in color. The meaning of grass for the farmer is the food for animal. The meaning of the grass for the poet is different. So each individual, according to his knowledge, take the different meaning of the things. Second one is the language. Language is the source of meaning. Language gives the symbolic naming for the human society. Language is important. All objects, people, and the abstract ideas have been assigned certain names. Spoken words, written words, pictures are all the parts of language. Each word or picture means different things to each individual. Each person's language is shaped by the other people's. And the third important principle, which is the thought or minding. Thought is the interpretation of symbols. Thought is based on language. While in conversation, your mind is imagining or thinking about the different points of view or meanings to what the other person is saying to you. What is this? Means is that once you hear someone say something, you automatically start thinking about what you are going to say next. According to me, minding is the 2-second delay where the individual rehearses the next move and anticipate how others will read. Mead believes that we naturally talk to ourselves in order to sort out the meaning of a difficult situation. Whatever you think of before acting to an action or responding to a phrase is your thought. And humans come equipped with mind wired for thought. And that mind allows everyone to interpret the symbols of our language. These three principles, meaning, language, thought, it lead to conclusion about the creation of person or self and socialization into the larger community. Another two aspects are studied in the theory: the looking glass cell and generalized order. So what is mean by looking glass cell? Looking glass cell is the process of developing self-image on the basis of message we get from the others. There are the three components to the looking glass cell. Number one, imagine how we appear to the others. Second one is the judgment. Imagine what their judgment of our appearance. And third one, develop some self-feeling. Next one is the generalized order. When the child to take on various roles at a time, he or she understand the roles and attitudes of multiple people. These understanding of collective attitudes of a society means refer, this is the generalized order. The generalized author keeps individual connected to society by an understanding of shared meanings. It can be considered a bridge between the individual and the wider society. And these are some of the references. Please send your queries or your questions to my mail. I will respond